It looks really presentable for things like that, parties. And I'm if you outdoor, you use this. It would be nice when you serve it in it. I think that would be nice. And because it's a young for friend, young outdoor, young yeah. Hello everyone. So today I want to do this very quick unboxing with you. Okay, so I bought these saucepans and I thought to share with you, because one of the common questions I usually get is, where did you buy this, where did you buy that? So I thought, okay, it's likely someone may ask me, so I'm just doing the unboxing. If you ask me, I'll just refer you to the video. Very easy, simple. So let's see what's in here. So it's just unboxing, so I'm going to open it up. So it was sort of like not red, but like wine color. So I hope that's what they sent to me. If not, I'll send it back.
Gold, is it?
It's just gold handles.
Oh, okay, gold handles.
Yeah. So they gave me what I asked for. So
it's really nice.
And it feels well made. Okay. So that's my problem with saucepans. Usually the base is very light, and if you are making our jollof and stuff like that, it bends easily. So something which is well made like this is really desirable to me. Let me put it here. So that one is like 28 centimeters. All right. So the next one, let's see. A package really, really well. So I like that. So that's the cover. I didn't think the cover was glass, but it's like fully glass and just this big. That was I don't know what I thought it was, but
looks really exotic.
Exotic. And this is a smaller pot. And what is the centimeter? How big it is? I don't know. They've not mentioned it in here, so I'll put that one here for now. And open another one. I'm hoping there'll be a big one for my big family.
We'll have written the dimension on the box. This one's
20. How is 20 so small? Oh, so what did they measure? See, it will fall off. So yeah, so we have to unscrew it and just put it in. So they usually do it that way. I think it may be for this one. I'm sure. Oh no, it's not for that one. It's for this one. But it fits that one too. So yeah, the sizes are not too great for me, because maybe I like big things. But then it doesn't matter. It's nice. Hopefully I'll find something big soon. Come on, baby. So yeah, something big. It's not super big, but it is big. Look at that. Yeah, it was big enough. So, all right. So, last but not least, this one. this is 24, and this I think is 28. 28. Right, so the wok is 28. So yes, very fancy. Yeah, it's all now opened up, and as you can see, different sizes, and as I mentioned earlier on, the base is really heavy. So this one, for instance, will be ideal for making your jollof rice. You can make your soup in it as well because it's very heavy. I'm saying jollof rice or probably cooking rice or anything because of the heavy base. You know, jollof rice, it takes forever, but then you can cook whatever you want in it, and you can make soup. Making a lot of soup, this will be good for it as well. Okay, and this will be good for, like, you know, stews, and yeah, you can make soup in this, but maybe stews and stir fries, the same as the frying pan or the wok, you can use it as well. So for this one, depending on what you're cooking, really, depending on the quantity of whatever you are cooking, you can actually use this for anything. It's like, I'm thinking, what am I going to be using it for? I will use it probably to make some stews or some one-day soup that, like, you know, we are just going to consume it for just a day, but still it wouldn't be enough actually. Maybe if I'm making soup for just myself, I'll use that, but just one-day soup, I'll use that. Okay, and this will be I wonder, maybe I'll boil my tomatoes and my so these pots are small. So what is going to happen is I'm going to make small portions of food now. Okay, this will be like for one day, you know, portion of food, because usually I make big portions. But you see, I know they are just trying to reduce. Maybe they want all of us to lose weight in this, including my husband. So small portions. Anyway, so that is it. You can use it for whatever you want. The base, I love the base because it's so heavy and it looks very nice, very presentable. You can actually serve, so you can make your food in another saucepan and you transfer it in any of these. So, like, you know, to go onto the dining table, or maybe if you're having guests coming around, you cook in your chenchema pot, then you transfer it in this one for just for presentation too. You know, yeah, for parties and stuff like that. You can use it like that too as well. It looks really presentable for things like that. Parties, maybe serve yourself, you know, buffets, you know. If you're the NB, more your engagement, more if you're outdoor, you know, you use this. It will be nice when you serve it in it. I think that would be nice. And because it's a young for any outdoor, yeah.
What a shock.
I'll see what a shock. What a shock. And so that will do it for them to see. Say, yeah, you can use it for outdooring. And I said,
the challenge is on me.
On my four.
What a shocker.
Maybe we get a girl, so that we get two. Now we have just two boys and one girl. So maybe when we do, and I'm a Bushan pharmacist, say, what do you think? And number four, So here they are. I'll be cooking some delicious meals in this one for you. So stay tuned.